Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add the size chart in Shopify Horizon theme. First, log into your account, and in here we need to make a meta field. To do that, go to settings at the lower left corner. Now on the left panel, select meta fields and meta objects. Now go to products. Then click on add definition. For the name, you can name it as size chart. Now, you need to remember this as we will need it later. Now, select a type for your meta field, then choose on file. Here, you can turn off videos since you won't need it. After that, just click on save. Once it's created, you can now go back to your Shopify dashboard. Then on the left panel, go to online store. Here, click on the three dots beside the name and click on Edit Code. After that, click the arrow beside blocks. Then, select Add a new block. Now name it as Custom Dash Size Dash Chart and click on Done. For here, we need a code. So I have one here that you can just go ahead and copy from the description box. So now just copy the code. Then delete the one from Shopify and paste it in there. After that, hit on save at the top right. Once done, go back to your Shopify, then click on customize. Once inside the editor, click on the drop down at the top and select on products. Now go to default products. Here, click on the arrow beside product information. Then go ahead and add a new block. After that, search for size chart and select it. So now you can scroll down and under the product meta field key, type in the one that I said you need to remember. For here, it's size underscore chart. Then click on save at the top right. After that, click on exit and open link in new tab so that you will be able to go to your Shopify dashboard. Now, on the left panel, go to Products and select the product where you want to add your size chart. Scroll down to Product Meta Fields and select on Size Chart. Now, upload the image of your size chart. Select it and click on Done. After that, hit the Save button at the top. Now, if you scroll up, then hit Preview, you can see a size chart under your product. Now if you go to your shop editor and refresh it, you can also see a size chart below. You can delete one, then save it. Now if you go to your product and refresh it, you can also see that the other one is deleted. And that's just basically it. That's how you add a size chart in Shopify Horizon theme. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.